The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall! Are you making this sound of first building up? A new brand, see top the pan. Nothing can come in already.
You want that $100?
Yo, still up. Every week this is what I give you $100. Listen, if you take this $100.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
take you buy one room.
Alright. May I buy a drink?
You don't get no food.
Yeah, man, you mean? What you sell it for? It's a good door, dog. You know, say, you know what you want, you know?
Yeah, man.
That's swag, man.
How is school used to go? Which school used to go?
I see a place at Chester.
Manchester? Manchester, eh?
You live at Robinson. You know Robinson?
One cat here tell me say no, you are something. So you are my classmate.
You live there at Robinson.
Yo, you have got trim door, you know, dog. I get to hear black up and something, you know.
Yo, me have clocks in but you wear already.
You know that me tell us if you can't wear all the clocks.
You have clocks that to go second hand, but no other thing.
No, it just...
You know what they make up
I'm done.
Yo,
I'm done.
Yeah.
It's just the rain fall, it wet up.
Yes, him said the 2-man then they run at Georges. They're not there here. So when games, instead of games same way. So if games same. No?
don't work like that, brother.
He said I go give me 2-man on a Georges.
Yo, I'll clean them off and carry them go game,
The
man.
clocks.
Yeah, man.
Next week.
No, man, in a week, yeah, man.
In a week.
Yeah, me want it. Me want it. If I have to go to Woodland, go Plowland and dig him in. But we out of him, out of White House.
So fast. We're going to run until August.
Yeah.
August?
That thing, sir?
Why?
Where this go?
Why?
Which party you say already?
So you can we go to beach. When you come back from beach and you're in that, you have a new pants and you have to...
Fresh?
Yeah.
Show, man. They're not greedy.
They're not greedy.
We're going to put it up for you.
You got to just with that clothes. That thing. Because I want you to go back to me.
Yo, no, but I don't eat up in the morning, see you fresh, you know.
No, I can't put on the pants.
Yeah.
You see? You have to pay for to put on him pants.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying. So we can take that shoes and go bring in it. The one, the walker man one. You know what you want to walk
as long as you give them, remember saying ask spoil, you know.
Seafood there, so you have pet clothes. Yo, throw your pants over here and take your food, man.
No, put them that. No, put them that.
Yeah, picture. Oh, yes, alright.
Yeah, man, you good, man.
I'm 33 years. Thank you. Yeah, man.
Yeah. I mean, I saw new pants in over here, you know.
No, yeah, man, they are not Irish. Don't cook sweet potato.
So we can't dumpling in this week.
You hot,
man. Yeah, man.
Yo, you get the clocks. Yeah, no, all clocks. Can't be
weird down. Even if you weird down, you want to see if we fight this crap.
No, man, I really fall, make me not care.
Size 10. It's a crap that want to fix up.
So if a size 10, what size you want that clock?
A size 10 clocks you have to go carry.
No, man, remember say fit.
Size 9, a size 9, this is a queen.
Alright, sir.
A size 9,
I'm a size 10 anyway, so you're not going to get that. You have a promise?
The black one, John Church, man.
You have to carry size 10. If you don't carry size 10, if you don't carry size 10, you don't go up.
Yeah, and 9
if you weird down.
And 9 if you boy stretch.
Ah, yes, it's size 9.
Size 9.
Yes, size 9 clocks you carry.
And the clocks is stretch.
And you stretch. Size 9 you work, yes. Yeah?
Yeah, man, I work on a clocks.
Alright.
So you say that the second hand shoes?
$1,000 with me hand hold.
I want to know what the lead up for your fuck.
You want to see him if you got yam to.
So how you will take it, I don't understand, how you will take a clock second hand and you not take this one over here already?
No, me no want this one.
So when if you do with this, every week you give me $100. When if you do with this this week? Save it, put it up.
Put it on one place.
I'll make it grow.
Hey. this.
But every week you might be on to that, me now. But now I never take it this a week, yeah.
Take it and put it down at one place. If I want to drink a rum, you can buy with it. You don't drink bad boy, rum bar, Alaska.
Yes, you say.
Yes, sir.
You're going to be blessed. You're blessed.
Yeah.
You'll get
You look,
blessed.
hold on. Every week
If
you
you're
put
$100
on.
there, I'm going to make you blessed.
So look here. Every week me know what to say I give me $100. Why make you give me $100? Every week you don't give them. Make you give me.
Actually, you can't fool I know you drive. You can't drive without money.
All right.
You have
You
money
see?
and your ID.
Yes.
Your license.
Yes.
And that you drive with
Exactly.
ID and your license.
This whole $100 there. Put in iPhone.
Put in that.
I'm trying to roll an observer. People are going to observe over your dashboard. Here.
Why? That's if you want.
That's
That's if you want.
So we observe a farm.
No, like if you want shit a bush. Yeah, but
He can't look weird out if you read. Like
No, it's not
I-N.
a shit bush. Wait.
I-N hour.
I-N?
Is.
in.
Yeah, I-N and in.
Yeah.
I-S and in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh,
That's
Well,
read.
yeah.
That's always read.
Yeah, when you have nothing to do, you can't.
Yo, the girl that come next week one day now, she come beard and trim on her. But me no know if you come and
And we are not saying I go back now.
no man, I around town with it.
No watch nothing, me boss.
Hey man, I rate you know, you tell them you know.
Yeah man, me no want to sit me have to go and weed up some of my green grass like on the roadside and throw them out of him.
Yo, low man.
Out the Hartsfield over there, Lincoln. Here. God bless you, sir. Papa.
Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I may tell the viewers and subscribers, you know, when I look at this video, I just feel really good, you know. I just feel good for say that, you know, there are persons out there that have that love for others out there, you see me? You know, persons that are willing to help others that are less fortunate, you see me? Yeah, and I mean, you know, it doesn't matter if they are mentally ill or not, you see me, I say, are, you know, the background that they are coming from or so forth, you know, the fact that, you know, you just reach out and give a helping hand to help someone because, you know, you see that they are in a certain situation or a position, you know, I love that feeling, you see me, I say, I like to see when others help others, you understand me? Yeah, it just made Jamaica and the world just become a better place, you know, that love. Yeah, as some want to see people live with love and respect for each other, you understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and you know, according to what had been said about this video on social media is that this video shows off persons giving a few things to a person that is said to be less fortunate. You get what I'm saying to you? With that, I want to say big up and respect to Badras. You get to me? I said to you, yeah? Big up to Badras and others, alright? Alright, so right now, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm going to present to you another video right about now, and this video is going to show off a person that goes by the name of J Beez. Now, for those who might remember, you see me, or for those who, you know, had been around from the starting of Seriousskilla, you see me, I did a live video with J Beez, you see what I'm saying to you, and you know, J Beez, you know, show me some things during that live video, you see what I'm saying to you, and you know, J Beez is just one of those persons that, you know, show the love and respect to each and everyone out there. So may I say to you, now this video that I'm about to present to you, you're going to see J Beez, and he said some things and did some things that gave me the understanding that he went fishing. You get what I'm saying to you? And you know, I saw that there was someone else in the video as well, viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure how many persons was there, but you know, more of a say big up to J Beez and his friends. So may I say to you, now here I'm going to show you the video so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me what you think about the view, you see me, and you can tell me what you think about some of the things that J Beez had said. Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, I know a thing going on. One shall not live by bread alone. You got to come out in the waters and look here one. Look up, see me? Ah, one. Yeah. Fall me talk to them, fall me talk to them. J Beez side effect I represent.
Hold on.
Here, we're at Pole Harbor Bay fishing. And the season kind of rough today, you know, because there's a lot of breeze, you know. small waves. Not that we can't handle. So far we only catch one fish. I'm not about to show you that fish. You know, but he love bite, so you have to go. Yeah, big up the whole Ufin family, you know. Gunter Striker, Ufa Pupa. Nice, big up yourself. They don't know right now. But we roll out on them, you know. I roll out on them while I got my line itch. I roll out on them again. First thing, follow with the camera here. What I was saying, I think thanks to more time on transport, but that must stop your process. Out there we are going now. Out there we are. Alright, so that's out there. Let's go see where we're going. Yeah man, I said come out to your throat, not go and you have to drive it back and forth. They are intact, them not eat my food, they have to go out the back again. Nice and easy, you know.
Giant. Jump
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on, and also keep you entertained. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I want to say big up to Badras and big up to DJ Beez. You see me? Yeah, and you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.